old technology begins its final journey here.
Every device is handled as raw industrial material.
Sorting defines how each component will be recovered.
Power sources are separated first for safety.
Dangerous materials are isolated before processing.
The remaining bodies move forward together. Mass is measured before transformation begins.
Every batch is logged into the system.
Raw electronics move deeper into the facility.
This is where recycling truly begins. Inside, the real industrial process takes over.
Manual control ensures steady, even flow.
Surface contamination is removed early.
Mechanical motion replaces manual effort.
Air systems remove what hands cannot. Hidden metals are detected automatically. Early separation improves material purity. Vision systems analyze every unit.
Our data-driven sorting system guides the process, ensuring every component reaches its destination with speed and precision.
Now the transformation can begin.
Size reduction is the first irreversible step. Devices lose their original identity here.
Everything moves forward together.
Size separation refines the material stream.
Display glass becomes a recoverable resource.
Further reduction improves separation efficiency. Consistency is key to automation.
Air replaces manual sorting.
Density determines direction. Valuable metals are about to be reclaimed. Magnetism isolates the first metal group. Ferrous metals are recovered cleanly.
Electrical forces separate lighter metals.
Value increases with purity. Machines read what eyes cannot. Clean streams mean reusable material. Contaminants are removed at this stage.
Moisture is eliminated for stability.
Material stabilizes before final processing.
Raw waste has become industrial input.
Precision begins with controlled input. Conductivity defines final separation. Copper returns as a valuable raw material. Surface quality matters in reuse. Plastics are reshaped for a second life.
Uniformity enables industrial reuse.
Temperature control preserves quality. Only specification-grade material proceeds.
Consistency defines industrial standards.
Materials are ready for verification. Every output must be verified. Samples represent the entire batch.
Accuracy starts with measurement.
Purity determines market value.
Correct density ensures compatibility.
Stability depends on dryness.
Human eyes still matter.
Approval clears material for sale.
Nothing is wasted unnecessarily.
Only verified material moves forward.
Final form requires precise control. Traceability completes the process.
Metals are prepared for industrial reuse.
Consistency enables safe transport. Protection ensures product integrity. Finished materials await dispatch.
Logistics connects factory to market.
Materials leave ready for reuse.
And this is how modern factories produce recycled mobile phone materials from start to finish.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.